Protecting your EIFS stucco, the essential guide to preventing lawn care equipment damage. Safeguard your EIFS stucco. Due to its adaptability, insulating capabilities, and aesthetic appeal, EIFS, exterior insulation and finish system, or synthetic stucco, is a preferred building material. It is also susceptible to harm from lawn care equipment, which could require expensive repairs. We'll give you all the advice you need in this article to safeguard your EIFS stucco from harm caused by lawnmowers. Establish a barrier. The simplest way to further protect your EIFS stucco is to build a barrier by placing stones or mulch close to the stucco. In addition to placing plastic or rubber edging along the perimeter of your lawn, this would be a great choice to avoid lawn care equipment from coming into direct contact with stucco and causing damage. Remember to like and subscribe if you find value in this content. It really does help. Trim your shrubs. Maintaining a well-kept yard is another approach to protect your exterior insulation and finish system stucco. Overgrown bushes, trees, and other vegetation can harm the stucco by scratching or scraping against it. This may be avoided with routine trimming and pruning, which will also keep your landscape appearing orderly. It is recommended to keep shrubs and vegetation at least 3 feet from your exterior insulation and finish system stucco. Implement a protective coating. Your EIFS stucco can also receive a protective coating to add an additional layer of defense against harm from lawnmower equipment. There are many different kinds of protective coatings available, including flexible armor coatings that can endure impact without chipping or shattering. Make sure to thoroughly clean and prep the area before applying protective fiberglass and cement coating. While using lawn care equipment, use caution. Be cautious of the space between your lawn care equipment and your exterior insulation and finish system stucco when operating it nearby. To prevent unintentional contact, maintain a safe distance and refrain from using tools with metal blades or attachments that can damage or scrape the stucco. Be careful when navigating tight spaces or around corners to prevent accidentally touching the stucco. Plan routine inspections. Your synthetic stucco should undergo routine inspections to help spot any damage early and stop it from getting worse. To make sure that your stucco is in good condition and that any necessary repairs are handled right away, arrange annual inspections with a professional. To summarize, keeping your synthetic stucco safe from damage from lawnmowers is crucial to preserving its toughness and visual attractiveness. You may avoid expensive repairs and maintain the appearance of your EIFS stucco for years to come by heeding the advice provided in this article. Thank you for watching till the end and hitting the like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Please consider subscribing to the channel.